If you missed the last few videos, I'm sharing the behind the scenes of my experience during the Olympics in Japan.
I'm at Haneda Airport, just went through multiple checkpoints.
The games brought me to Sendai, Japan's third largest city north of Tokyo. And I worked with some of the most amazing people. Couldn't go sightseeing due to the restrictions for foreigners, but still found a way to try the specialties in Sendai and Miyagi prefecture.
This is beef dong.
In this video, I'll share some Japanese chocolates and my favorite snack here. But first, time to say sayonara to this view.
Today we return to Tokyo. Let's get the bullet train again.
This is the Hayabusa Shinkansen, a high-speed service that connects Tokyo to the southern end of the Hokkaido Island, the second largest island in Japan. Look at how spacious the train is. It always amazes me. How cute the hotel queue. Konnichiwa, Tokyo!
This is where I'm gonna try some Japanese chocolates from now on.
Let me just take a quick moment to show you this room. The most amazing bathroom overlooking the bedroom. This is the Conrad Tokyo Hotel in Minato City.
No way. R for Renata.
It would be even better if I could use the metro. There's a station right here. My new Japanese friends have no idea I'm shooting this video, and they have been so kind, bringing me chocolates every single day since Miyagi. They're so delicious, and I had to save some of them to try here with you. Look at the variety of KitKats you'll find here in Japan, and there's probably more. Google Translate here to help. It's all Japanese. This ones here I already know. They're almonds with cranberries. This one is probably topped just with milk chocolate. This one might be topped with cranberries. I don't know, because it's pink. This one here, sweetness of adults. Oh, that's funny. Deep cocoa scent, probably dark chocolate. The green one is matcha, traditional KitKat. This one, even without reading, I can imagine it's white chocolate. Cookies and cream. A bunch of little cubes. So delicious. Crunchy chocolate being the cookies and the creamy part outside. That's how you see white. Really delicious. Next. Oh, the bag comes with smaller chocolates inside. A bunch of pre-packaged chocolates that you can take on the go. Look at this, totally pink. Even looks like there are little pieces of cranberries and almonds on top. Just a slight taste of cranberries. Inside, like a traditional KitKat. Let's try their cousin. Same thing. Smaller packages inside. There you go. Just like the other. Topped with cranberries and almonds. Of course, it's delicious. So hard to choose a favorite because they're all so good. Let's go for the matcha, because this is a really different one. I'm expecting a green chocolate. Yeah, look at this, it is green. Wow, green chocolate. Oh my god, it reminds me of green tea. I love green tea. You can really taste matcha here. Wow. This is the most different one I've ever had. If you like matcha and green tea, you're gonna love it. If you've never tried matcha, it's a really good way to get introduced to it. Very good. I'd buy this one too. I'd buy all of them. Let's try this one here that I think is the dark chocolate. Not a big fan of dark chocolate. Let's see, maybe I'm wrong. Actually, I'm guessing here because the translation was not that great. Yeah, It is dark chocolate, but it's not bitter. It's just deep chocolate. It's good as well. Good too. Inside, the traditional KitKat. I like it. I really like it. Because it's not bitter. This looks like a more concentrated chocolate. Oh my god, I need some water. Okay, this can only be white chocolate, huh? Surprise, surprise! White chocolate is so sweet. I really love it. So good, so good. And to close the session, let's go with the traditional KitKat, huh? Just to compare. Very good. But now that I tried all the other flavored KitKats, I don't think I'd buy the traditional anymore. But KitKat is always a KitKat, huh? Now, my Japanese friends also introduced me to this other brand here called Bourbon Alfort. And wow, they're a mix of chocolate with what looks like it's graham crackers. I already ate most of it. I saved a few to show you. Look at this. I don't know if this is unique to Japan. Maybe I didn't pay attention in other countries, but this is so delicious. And if you come to Japan, you should try. And this other one here is the white chocolate version. According to Google Translate, this is salt vanilla. It's exactly the opposite. This is really good. Oh, Japan. I also love you for the chocolates. I also got a corn chocolate here. And as today's chocolate day, why not, huh? Reminds you of corn. Look at how cute. Wow, it tastes like chips. You know, sweet chips. So interesting. Also very good. It says here, Hokkaido Hori. Don't know if it comes all the way from Hokkaido. And for the chocolate grand finale, something I've been keeping in the fridge since when I got it. One of my friends here told me it tastes even better like this. There are two names here, so I don't know if the name of this chocolate is Lotte or Sasha. Let's assume it's Sasha. Wow. Look at this, how luxurious. Wrong bet. Here it clearly says the name of the chocolate is Lotte. It's just aerated chocolate. You almost can see it through. Wow, this is so cool. I can see it. I can see why it would taste so much better when it's cold. Wow. So good. And when it comes to Japan, one of the things you absolutely must try is their rice crackers. This is something I discovered with a Japanese friend even before my first trip to Japan, and it's something I absolutely love. I miss it when I'm home, for you to have an idea. Japanese people, when they watch this video, they will even laugh, you know, of me talking about this, because for them it is so obvious, but not for you if you've never came to Japan. And this is something you have to try. Look at this. Better to eat on top of something because the crumbs will fall. They're crunchy with a slight taste of shoyu sauce. Some have seaweed, absolutely delicious. They come in a bigger bag with orange and green stripes. Very common here. You find in a lot of mini markets like 7-Eleven, Lawson. And inside they're all individually wrapped like this so that you can go out and take as many as you want. I love this so much. Oh, something else very important for you to know. If you're ever in a situation here in Japan where you can't go out, like me, or you don't want to go out, Lawson, this convenience store that I just mentioned, they deliver. You know, if you've never heard of Lawson, they're like 7-Eleven, it's a mini market slash convenience store with a lot of products, which is great because this way you can get snacks, you can get coffee, hand sanitizer, for example, and they deliver via Uber Eats. So Uber Eats here is not only for restaurants. You're welcome. Everything in English and Japanese, look at this. It's not all restaurants have menus in English. It's pretty nice. Lawson was very useful for us during the Olympics here in Japan. Hope you enjoyed the tips, and if you want to see more authentic Japanese food in Japanese restaurants, there are the videos of my previous trip here to Japan. Wow! I'm leaving the link in the description. There are so many nice videos in different cities. It's just really good. We tried so many good things, huh? That's it. But hopefully there will be a future trip. In the meantime, see you in the other videos.